What's up, YouTube? It's your girl CT, and I am back with another video. If you would like to see how I made this wig, please stay tuned. But before we do that, make sure you comment and put that post notification on so you can see every time I post. Everything that I will be using will be listed below in the description box, so you guys can know the items that you need if you want to try to make this wig. If you guys would like to see me do something like in detail that I sped up, just comment down below, hey, make a video about this, and I will do that. So right now I'm using a frontal, but I'm not going to use the whole frontal. So I'm going to cut off the pieces that I don't need. You might say, why won't you use a closure? Well, I only had a 4x4 closure. And this is I'm probably making like a 6x6 temple to temple closure, because I just wanted more room to like be able to part and stuff and style it different ways if I wanted to. So once I find out the pieces that I don't want, I'm going to cut it off on both sides like I'm doing here. Now I'm just, that sounds horrible. I'm sorry, guys. I'm still a little bit under the weather, but I'm feeling better now that I can speak. But now I'm going to sew the sides down. I sewed down the whole closure that I created. So on both sides and the back as well. And once we get that sewn down, we're going to start gluing it. I used a hot glue gun. I used to do this a long time ago, but I don't know why I decided to do it this time as well. So just using a hot glue gun, and we're gonna put the pieces down, and we're basically just gonna follow the guide of the cap. I hope that makes sense. So from both sides, to one side to the other, that's all you're doing. And you're going to see how I close it up at the end. It's just like you would do a quick weave. Okay, so I know the color of the closure and the color of the 27 piece are different colors, but if you know how to blend, you can make it work, because brown and black, they go together, so it really doesn't matter. So right now I'm using my eyebrow pencil. I'm just cutting off the bulky, just trying to like thin it out and clean it up just to make it look more natural in the back and not so much wiggy, you know. So just gonna clean the sides up, try to make, you know, some kind of hairline back there, and then I'm gonna go to the front and we're just gonna start cutting. So just stay tuned. So now I'm using this Boho Liquid Gold because it's a perfect fix for like a temporary hold. If you just want to have your wig on for a day or two, this is perfect. So I'm just applying it on my forehead and a little bit on my edges, and it's not really hard on my edges, so it's not gonna like rip them out, and I know how to take it off as well. And that's why I like this Boho Liquid Gold. I'm just gonna blow dry it. I think we're coming towards the end of the video, so if you made it this far, thank you so much. Don't forget to share, comment, like, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.